Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to talk about the mechanical mate slot mate, right? So as you can see in this part, there is a slot and I have to move this rod into the slot, right? So what you will do, you can just apply the tangent mate, but to proper slotting mechanism, what you can do, so there is a specific mate given in the mechanical mate. There is a slot mechanism, right? So you can just select the slot mechanism, and there will be some options like center in slot, distance along slot, and percentage along slot, right? So these four options are there, which is very useful in a slot command. So you can just select the circular for the surface, and you can select the slot surface, right? Any slot surface you can give, so it will automatically detect, and accordingly it will move, right? So as you can see, it is a free right now. So in the free condition, it will constrain in the slot just like that. Okay, as you can see, let me apply the width mate over here so that it will not move up or down, right? 1 2, so it's in the middle. Okay, there is some constraint over there, that's why it is not moving, but okay, no problem. Standard mate we can do, coincident, because I have to break some okay, there is some issue in the assembly in a width mate. Okay, because I have drawn from this reference, that's why it is coming like that, so no problem. Coming back to this slot, if we do center in slot, so it will be in the center, but it will rotate along this its surface, axis, right? So if you can rotate this, it is moving upward and downwards, but also you can rotate this in this way, right? So it will move. And also there is some options like distance along the slot, so you can apply, let's say 90, 100, just like it will move that side, right, up to the limits. Also there will be some options are already there, which is a universal mate alignments and flip dimensions, so you can just click it over there, right? And there is a percentage along slot as well, so you can just select the percentage of overall slot. Let's say I want to do a 5%, then it will come like that. Okay, it is calculating the distance. This is a 5% of your overall distance, so you can apply the mate like that. So this is how you can create the slot mate, which is very useful for while assembling the complex geometries, right? So that's how you can use the slot mechanism in the assembly. Okay, that's all for the video. Keep sharing, keep watching, keep learning.